my diamonds make it hurt.
Hello guys, welcome back uh, to the second part of this 2019 winter paper. We are doing Excel. Now we are in question 4. Place in cell G12 a formula to multiply the number of items by the unit price. Okay, so that's a price. Here G12, this is G12. What all? We have to number of items over here, you see there, this one, into unit price. Fine, so that's equal to and anything more it's given information. Make sure that if no data is entered in the number of items column, then nothing is displayed in the cell, just like above in question 3 we did that. Yes, replicate this formula. Okay, fine. So we are going to use if condition as well here, just like previously we used for C12 from C12 to F12, right? Okay, fine. Now let's follow that. If unit price is not there, right? Unit, here is the one. Did we do for unit price? Yeah, this is unit price. Look at that. Okay, now here in this we are going to enter this. I will copy. Fine. Then I will change the values. Okay, now let's see. Just directly we'll type on over here. Fine. Here condition is same, equal to if open bracket. How many values we are taking? Number of items we need. Okay, if this is not equal to empty, fine, then it has to multiply, right? So this again into unit price, this, that's a F12. Fine, multiply that, else it should be empty. Okay, empty means to a pair of double quotes. Fine, enter. Now suppose if I enter items or 2, fine, items or 2, and here I need even unit price as well. Suppose unit price is 10. Okay, now we are getting here 20. Else if no value over here, that means it should display nothing. See here, it's gone. Okay, our formula is perfect. Now let's see another one. Fourth one is done. We are going to replicate it as well. Place in cell B24 a function to calculate the total number of items ordered. Okay, first replication and this function in B24. This one I have to replicate. Fine, till here. Oh, sorry, next as well, one more, 23. Okay, that we did. Now here we have to come. Oh yeah, it's already done. See, this it is only the summing up total number of items over here from, it's a summing, right? So that it is sum from here B12 to B23. Okay, that's what we get here. 0, since there are no values at all. Now next 5 is also done. Place in cell G24 a function to calculate the total of the price column. G24, and that will be what we have to calculate. total number of items ordered, G24 over here. Fine. So where are total number of items? No, the price it is, I guess, right? Total number of items. Calculation. Okay, fine. Sorry, this one. Sorry. Place in cell G24 a function to calculate the total number of price. That's what I'm. Okay, price. Total price it is. Just it's very simple. Just here, come over here. Just we are going to take just like previously in 5 we did. Equal to again sum. Let's do the sum. Sum open bracket. From where to where? From this G12 to G23. Close bracket. Okay, this also 0. Now what else? Place in cell E25 nested if functions to display the discount rate percentage referring to the data in columns I and J. Where are I and J referring to? No, we don't have I and J data at all. Just we have to refer to it. Okay. Depending upon the total number of items ordered, even total number of items also we have to consider. Just like in 5th we did, no? Note that the discount rate in cell J6 is used if the total number of items ordered does not meet the criteria of cells I3 to I5. So here what they are saying is, you know, it's a very big if condition. There'll be like, you know, 3 if conditions, nested ifs, because see here what all if this, what they are like now main testing condition over here is depending upon the total number of items ordered. Fine. So if note that if the discount rate in cell I6 is used if the total number of items ordered does not meet the criteria of cells I3 to I5. Fine. So here what they are saying, if the total number of items are less than I3, fine. So I3 means one something is there. So here J is what referring to the data in columns J. So it should be J3. Fine. And if this total number of items are less than I4, the second one is I4. So I3 to I5, right? So I4, then the value we have to pick is J4. Fine. And if the total number of items, that's P4, is less than I5, till here we have to reach, right? I5, then it has to pick from J5 the value, else it has to go to J6, the last one. Fine. So here see the discount rate cell is J6. So that's what we are gonna set the formula here, where it is the discount in E here E25. So equal to, if here see this total number of items B24 is less than here you see I here less than I3. Okay, so these are the J's, these are the I's. Then what is the answer? Comma. So it has to pick J3. Fine. Then you can see here the formula, comma. If this is not the condition, if you have to go, if B24 if B24 is less than I4 now, I4, fine, come here, comma, what should be the rate it has to pick? Discount rate 5. Else, that's if, another if we have to pick, if B24 again is less than I5, then it has to pick G5. Fine, this is the third one. Else if it's not, it should pick G6. So 1, 2 and 3. Fine, so we got here 0 because total is 0. Suppose total is here, I'll take 5. Fine, total is less than 10. It's 0%. See there. Now I'll go for second one. I'll take 20. Suppose it's 20. It's less than, right? So I'll take 15. See ya, 0.05. It's a 5%, right? Okay, ours is working perfectly. Just keep it 0 for now. 0. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Place in cell G25 a formula to calculate the discount amount, which is the discount rate multiplied by price before discount. Okay, that is here. Price before discount. No, here, this one, discount 25, right? It's we have to enter in G25. So multiplication between discount rate multiplied by price before discount. Discount rate, okay, equal to where is the discount rate? This is the discount rate into price. Where is the price? This one, price before discount. Enter. Next, place in cell G26 a formula to calculate the total, which is the price before discount minus the discount. The formula is given over here. Okay, that will do in this total. Okay, one is what? The price before discount. Okay, now let us take that. Price before discount minus the discount. Enter. Okay, we did all these. Fine. Apply appropriate formatting to all cells containing numeric values in rows 12 to 26. Okay, all 12 to 26 till here to here. Now wherever they told us to pick the euros, right? Euros, so we will format them using euros. So from here to here and also here to here, this all should go as a the currency euros. So let's open currency. Where is the currency? And in this currency we will have to pick the euros. Where is the euro symbol? Euro symbol. Pounds or euros? Just let me just check one more time. In the beginning, what's said? It's euros. It's euros. Let me just pick euros from this. Pounds are here. After this, yeah, it's euro. These all euros. We'll take Ireland euro. This euro will take this one. Okay, euro is added, and for all this total number of items, discount rate 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. Fine. So for all this, they told us to pick the euros. We'll add euros here also. Here, it's this one, and currency. Currency got euros as well. We'll take this one, right? Okay, you can see. And what else? We did everything. Fine. If anything is left, we'll do later. Now this back here, we added all the formatting. Save your spreadsheet. Print the entire spreadsheet showing the values. Please note, you will not yet have entered data into this invoice. Yeah, whatever, it's empty, and it's saying that show the values. From where will show? Print out fields on a single page. Contents of all cells are fully visible with no split words. Grid lines are displayed. Row and column headings are displayed. Just note, take to print. Okay, it has to fit on a single page. First, we'll go for this rows and column headings. Okay, this is done. And even grid lines. Oh, sorry, we have to display the grid lines as well. Portrait fits on a single page as well. Where is the single page? Portrait. Just let me check one more time. Just single page, that's it. Okay, grid lines are displayed. Okay, let's display the grid lines. Okay, just in home, and here we have the under font all borders. Fine, just let's take this area otherwise till here. Okay, home, all this, this as well. Okay, till here otherwise. Sorry, home, display grid lines. Okay, now save, file, print. Fits on a single page. Here no scaling, and here fits on a single page. All the details are here. Yes, our details are up, no, down here. Fine. So this is one print, but there are no values at all. Next, we'll go for 11th is done fully. Print your spreadsheet showing the formulae. Make sure it's on landscape. Rows and column headings and contents are all visible. They want to see the formulae all. So let's go for again printing the formulae of this. We'll go like where formula and show formulas. Then we have take care. This one, landscape, we have to go. Orientation, where is the orientation? Landscape, and we have to show the formulas. Just we have to adjust all these to just clearly show the formulas like this. All the formulas, so much very lengthy formulas they are. Okay, done. You're going to do that. Next, let me get back to the values. Fine. Now what's next? Here now, question number 13. Before this invoice will be used, it needs to be tested. Test 1 will use normal data including item SSD1. So here there is a one SSD1 here from the other table. So we have to take this item and test the data. Okay, so that's what it's saying. In your evidence document, edit the evidence 1 table to look like this. Yeah, we have to keep on typing this extra the text here. Just I typed and kept ready. No, just copy this. Just copy it or type as it is there in the equation paper. Fine. After this, examine the formula in cell G12 and use this to complete the following. Complete the table identifying what is in G12. What's in G12? G12C. This is the one in G12. Okay, so this is the one here. See, this is the one in G12. It's calculating the price, right? It's calculating the price. From where it's calculating? It's calculating from number of items sell into its unit price. And there is a condition saying that if B12 has any value, then only calculate and display this value. Else, if there is no value, means nothing has to be displayed in this price the cell. Okay, fine. We understood that. Now, examine the formula that we did. The cell reference where SSD1 will be entered. Where we will enter here. See, suppose, where is that? Here, if we need SSD1, where we will enter SSD1 in product, under product code. Under product code, what is the cell? First cell, A12. Yes. So in A12, we enter. Okay, fine. Next, another appropriate item of test data that will be used with SSD1 to complete the test one. So if you see here, what we need of SSD1, what we need, the stuff, number of items we need, right? Number of items we need and unit price we need. So number of items, from where we are getting, is this here? It's not there. Only unit price we have. Capacity something is there, but there is no number of items. Fine. So we are going to enter here. So we will pick ourselves a number. Okay. Suppose I enter SSD1 and here I enter 10 items. Fine. So if 10 items, then only it's displaying 0, because unit price, where's unit price? There is no, just wait 1 second, copy, I'll just paste it here. Okay, paste here. But what we take over here, which column? Unit price column is the second one. Okay, I'll change that to second. Number 2, here we change to number 2. Okay, yeah, fine. So just I entered number of items is 10. So this is what we need, another value with this SSD1. Fine. So here the cell reference where this item of test data will be entered, where we entered just now, we entered in B12. So that will type in over here B12. And what is the test data? Just we picked some data, just some value we entered, that's a 10. Fine. Now what else? Why you selected this item of test data? Because it's easy to calculate. Fine. Directly we can write easy to calculate, as it is on the top, isn't it? Next, the expected outcome from test 1 that will be seen in G12. Yeah, so now just if see, when we saw what we got here, 840 pound, 840, automatically we can see over there. So that's what we'll type in, 840, right? That's what we got. Next is over. Edit and complete the table in your evidence document. Yeah, that we did. Enter the address. This is done. So just we'll save it, save the work and keep. Fine. Now after this, 14, enter the address as shown, the format like this, Tawara Technology Solutions. Let's type that here next to 2. Where is 2? Here. Tawara Technology Solutions. Then 32 Acacia Avenue. Next line. 32 Acacia Avenue. Next, Tawara. Next one. That's it. Don't need this one. Okay, a number something is there. 4 5 6 7 3. 4 5 6 7 3. Okay. Now what else? Enter the items into the invoice like this: SSD 8, SSD 34. Okay. Here SSD 8, then SSD 34. Okay, and even the values we have to enter. This is 10, this is 1, this is just 1. Then I have to drag this. I did not do that. I'll do this. Okay. Now what else we have to print only cells A1 to G26 showing the values. Make sure G26 it has a single page, column headings are not displayed. Okay, contents of all cells are fully visible. Okay, A from where? A1 to G26. A1 to G26 till here. Okay, so let's set the print area and page layout in this. Open. Okay, set print area. Now just go to file, print. They don't want to see this column and row headings. Just uncheck that. Okay, and it has to fit on a single page. Let's take portrait. Does it fit? Yeah, single page. So this they want to see just like this. All the values are displayed. Fine. Okay, done. Print. Make sure you have all your details. Fine, that's done. What else? Oh, it's done. It's done. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.